Hey guys, this is Rob at Lukat Detail again. Check out this hood panel right here. This is an oxidized hood panel. It's flat, it's hazy, it's ugly on the top. It's starting to erode over here, but look what we've done. Here's a wet towel. If the paint job on your car is getting hazy and dull, and you notice that it looks good when it's wet for about 2 seconds and it dries up, do not wax the paint job. You need to clean it, not wax it. So what we got here is called Lukat Fix It. It's not a wax, this is a paint cleaner. This is designed to take this off without taking off the clear coat. This is a cleaner, you use it to fix the paint. So watch this, can you guys see this spot right here? Okay, so I'm gonna put this on, okay? And when you use this, because it's not a wax, remember this is a paint cleaner. Because it's not a wax, you're not gonna use it in circles, you're gonna go up and down and clean it in sections. This is very easy to use. A paint job nowadays costs $3,000, $4,000, $5,000. This is a good alternative. You can clean up your paint job, bring it back. All paint jobs, when they're dirty, they're hazy, they're tarnished or oxidized, can be cleaned to a point. And look at what's happening here. See, most people don't realize that you can fix a paint job to a point. You go back and forth, you're cleaning off the tarnish, the oxidation, the contamination, all that is coming right off. What we got now is 100% clean paint. Now remember, I tell people this is a paint cleaner, not a wax. I didn't wax this. Listen to this. That's squeaky clean. It's clean, not wax. Now I'm gonna go ahead and wax it, but I want to show you guys something before I wax it. Remember that wet towel? Look, if your paint job looks good when it's wet, dries up, gets ugly again, okay, that means that you can fix it. Now, it dried up really fast because it's very, very hot right now. Now I'm gonna use this. This is called Easy Wax. Easy Wax is not a shine and pop wax. This is a cleaner, sealer, conditioner. Now when you use this, it's high temp wax. You can put it on and get a close up on the bubbles. You see that? That's a disaster if you use it with the regular wax. If you put a regular wax on when it's hot. This is not regular wax. This is a cleaner, conditioner, sealer. You do it in circles, you work it into the paint, you let it dry. Now, you use the Fix It to fix the paint and clean it, the Lukat Fix It. Then you use the Easy Wax to lock in that beautiful paint and seal it. Now, when I do this, you just remove it. Remember, I put it on right now when it's really hot in direct sunlight. You guys want to wash it, do it in the shade, but just to point it out, look how beautiful and uniform that comes out. Now here's what you have to remember. This is a cleaner to repair the paint. This is a sealer that'll lock in what you've just done and protect it. Now you can wax it. If you want to wax it, now you wax it. You can wash it, wax it. It's going to stay like this because instead of masking it, we fixed it. Guys, get your kit today at lukatdetail.com. This is Lukat Fix It. It's a paint cleaner. Go to lukatdetail.com. You can get it there. Save yourself a ton of money and fix your paint jobs. Join us in the fight against ugly paint job pollution. You guys take care. Later.